Soup is in the market and beef is in the bone. What don't concern you, nigga? Leave it alone. I go and speak with my family. Why I said soup is in the market? Yes, today is a soup day and today is a market day. You can't follow me. Maybe run left like you see and bolted up. You can't follow me. Anyway, speak with my family. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Pleasant, good afternoon. One and all my supporters across the world. Anywhere in the world, they bless upon yourself. Big up, big up. All the new subscribers, welcome on board. Just continue to play your role in the comment section so you can be a part of the family. I know a lot of you are secret watchers, you know, and you don't comment, and you might be over here for a long while supporting. But when I'm giving those shout out and those greetings, you know, if you don't hear your name called, well, you must know that you're not comment, because if you don't comment, I can't get familiarized with your name. And I can't see that you're a regular person over here, despite you might hear for all 1 year. But bless upon yourself, when you know yourself, within yourself, when you know so not supporter and not a fan, you know, because right now current gone, you know, and the fan can't spin without current, you know, and a solar fan. And if I even solar fan, remember, and if we have a hurricane when the sun not shine and light gone, the solar are gone too, because we don't have no sun to recharge the solar. That's why me no want a fan, me want supporters. Alright, so we always there with the sun, rain, snow, current gone, or what? Or when the ground tough. Or when Maca and back up on the ground, we know walk on it, see me if you support. Yes man, supporters me want. Anyway, my people, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed and you're watching. I still have 23.8% of you people who are watching and still not yet subscribe. We know the whole 23.8 town on our haters. And people will just jump the fence fast. And I have been asking for a while now, bring that 23.8% down to 15%. We are give them 15%. Me could give the people them love fast, jump fence come look and carry back, carry go bring come. And the people them we are haters, yes, that's why I have something to say. We have all them platform, yes. Me could give them 15%. But right now, it come like want me say 23.8% on uno. I may know within myself say I know so much on. So just check, because you might feel like you did subscribe to you always see the video them and I watch the video them, but you not subscribe. So here what you do. Just check your subscription and see if you subscribe. But if you not subscribe, get yourself out that 23.8% and come on over and be a supporter and not a fan. Alright? Make we get carried down to 15%. Me recycle with that. So 85% are subscribers who supporting, and the next 15% are unsubscribers who are just watching, peeping, looking. You want fast, probably them want peep through the keyhole if you see when me a dugu. You understand? Because them want to say round this so a quint, it a lock, it a shutter, wait I do, me no know. Make them go and peep, because they might just one day see what they must see. Alright? Remember when we were a boy, you know. Remember one time. Not really when me a boy, but in my younger days, one nice sexy girl, you know, used to come check my brethren next door. And me I tell you people, me always a swear off a girl, you know, man. And she nah give me no looking. But the brother was a bigger man for we, you know. And about 3 hours, man, we just give her a little time till she go up at the yard. And about 10 minutes after the, about 3-4 we run go up there. You want to see we a fight for space, we are try look on at the window, we are try peep through the keyhole. Because you know when you are youth, you know, something look foolish when you go out with it. Now when you are big man, you they think after that. And we are peep. One time one of the man them say, me find one little me find one little space. And man the move now, give me a look now, give me a look now. Give me. A peep, we are peep to see where I go on, you know. And the little space we can't hear nothing now, because it's like the little space I carry in a summer with them not there. It's like the kitchen area that we can't see the through. So we go round at the door now. We We can't see nothing hard, we can't hear. And you know where you are here. Me not tell you where we are here, but we did hear. Some farmer look nice. Did I go on? And with them time when we start here the nice, you know, people. At them time they want fast more and they come like could I take one drill and drill out one big old hole just to see. We have to get fed up and left. Because we couldn't manage where we are here. Yeah, man, you want to see 4 we walk out like 4 look up lappy dog. Because we never get to see where we really want to see, like we are watch one live taboo or something, you know? Anyway, you don't know my style. A reality that's still in people. It sounds like drama and I make it be a part of drama, like, but it's reality. Serious. When we are more younger youth and things I grow up in our early teens, like 13, 14. Anyway, I lie a long time I hear them sitting in a crazy gym. Them time we used to say crazy gym, but they have all kind of different cream cart and I make them nice. Yeah. We not here? Squaddy ice cream cart a pass. What flavor you want, Squaddy? Rum and raisin? People, when you don't do, I wouldn't wait for it, so stay there wait for me, I wouldn't wait for it. Remember, what I say for do? Like, share and subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, hit the thumbs up underneath the video, and please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Go and go subscribe. $5,000 video I drop later. Yes, man. And remember, Tamika Douglas TV in the comment section and Life with Gabby and Chevy. Give them a subscription, please and thanks. People, I already start the giveaway of the little small little give back random back to school business, because I can't keep no gathering, because I keep gathering, I not go off if I give pitney. So I have to just randomly give till it done. The little way I have. So I start to them, I say I can complete to tomorrow. So probably about Wednesday you can see the video there over there. Because I don't know over there them video they go. Alright? And remember the cash up in the comment section, $ Life is a Mission TV. Well, people, I get up in the afternoon and the year 13, I speak her mind, I talk what she think, and all kind of bag of man of evil thing. But boy, I don't know. Ah, Jesus Christ. Dana, you soon have to repair your ears drum. Dana, you soon have to repair your ears drum. Them try to drop your name many times and broke it. What good thing your name can't broke. Because if your name could have broke to Rasta, the amount of time then take up your name and drop it, it would have broke up in pieces. Where it can't even put together. You know, sometimes you are sitting and it drop and broke and you could have get the glue or crazy glue or something and glue it up and put it back together. Dana name could have never put back together if it could have broke. Because the amount of pieces that would have shattered in, you couldn't find all of the pieces them. But me feel like you soon have to go repair your ears drum. Because your ears drum supposed to ring like when Labour Right and Church bell ring. Yes, man, your ears drum supposed to ring like when Cathedral Church out on North Street they pan bang, bang, bang. Yes, man. Or when election time or campaign time, I hear Labour Right to pass through. And you yes, man, I say your ears drum supposed to ring. You so I forgot to check out your ears, Dana. But anyway, 13 days I shall talk, and all. It's like, I don't know, every live or every video, somewhere they had a Dana name of it in the mix. Even if when sometime you hear some people attack and them come out, you have two persons who do this mainly, Tina and Marcia. Now, here them come out and talk about a certain topic. And you have it say, yes, this is a topic what them talk about. Before them could have done. Somewhere along the line, you don't know how Dana fit in. But somewhere along the line, Dana name fit in. Me no know. Trust me, I always wonder. Because when them reach the last 5 minutes of them live, 2-3 minutes. And you say, yes, thank God. Dana name I call another one, yeah. Before you could have said thank I done a name here a call. And where I name a call for have nothing to do with the whole storyline for a video where probably 1 hour. You understand? And you know 60 minutes make an hour. And when you go so bang and read 56 minutes in the video, you say, alright. And by 4 minutes after I done on him. Anyway, I could hear 13 and say what she has said now. Leave to Uno, Uno want to believe of what she think and what she has speak, but she come out and she speak. So I could listen.
She forgive Dewey and she forgive everybody, but there and then again it's still gonna cause problem.
Hold on. Stick a pin this a 13. And it's a hot rotted pin this me want to stick. This a pin when me want to stick. Me remember when time me a boy. And if you have boil, yes, or you have one little bum come up on your fist up, your parents used to warm one pin. Yes. And use the pin at the tip of the pin and pick the boil or picky the little bump where you have fest up. Because when them warm the pin, them say them sterilize it. It's a warm pin me want to stick here. So what you just say a while ago 13? As we all know, we can't tell Dana what we do really. You understand? But if so much people is so upset with doing forgiveness what him get, I mean here you are say, if Dana forgive doing, she can't forgive everybody. You must say mad to us. Me never want to say the giant other one. You must say mad to us. Me not say no giant. You must say mad to us. Forgive everybody. Like all T-girl. Lorraine. That wouldn't be surprising. That would be surprising. Not surprising. Surprising. If Dana come out here and forgive T-girl and Lorraine, what you just said a while ago? Not everybody 13. Me not feel like other thing they want to say a while ago. But sometimes we attack and we say something and then, you know. But me not think other thing they want to say. Everybody? Sing loud 13. Sing loud. Sing loud. Sing loud.
Do we have to just know, say, he made the mistake and him have to go on and like. This is the problem, you know me not know what this obsession about. Because I say, let me tell you something. Dana is just a normal human, strong black woman. Where you good with that woman.
Must tell you, lucky me no want to look at the camera.
Ashanti me can tell you. Me can tell you, him want be up under Dana arm hole. The whole of them want be up under the woman arm hole like them a roll on.
The whole of them? No, sir, not me. No, me. I am just here to support.
See, Chris put you out on him platform this morning against the people. Chris no love you, you not say Chris I mean smaddy. Chris not gonna take up money.
I am just here to support right through to the end.
When Chris could have lied down in her bed and gone, he going to go turn up and be a king cake because the thing can do it himself. Me a hold on pan when me hold on pan. Me know it's a delicate, calm conversation. Me have forever said it. If Ashanti never gas up Maxine and tell her all those negative things about the woman, Maxine would not be doing all these things. Remember, we didn't know about Maxine. Maxine is easily influenced. Remember, Maxine a big woman.
Not she alone, whole heap of them out here. Whole heap.
And you have some people, it's like them would have believed in alright.
Whole heap of them, some more, whole heap of them more so exposed, man.
That time we did have problem with my last son, father, and him woman. And you whole heap of people tell me, say, Richelin will be a me. And me say, oh, run, we'll go with that. Me say, go with Richelin will be a me for.
Big people, them man, and mine of them own.
So what she will be a me for? So for me was somebody, me would not take blood thinner, me would not do test and I watch me thrombosis. So Maxine easily with the thing them when painting her, say Dana wicked, Dana scammer, Dana thief, Dana this, Dana that. It a playback. Can Maxine pan her life go question her what Maxine tell her? And we have seen it too with Flex. You remember when Flex did care Maxine? I'm going to tell some, you see people who don't remember, who don't want to remember. Flex did care Maxine over upon him life.
Yeah.
I want Maxine tell life on Dana. And that's what you not look on that. Oh, when Maxine never go tell like Pandana with Flex Cuss and drag Maxine. You not look on that. Me don't know about Uno. Me no want me come out here when time me check out me as a Maxine and I put that.
Where are they now? I haven't heard of that. I haven't heard of those species of animal for the longest while. Yes, man. I haven't heard of that species of animal for the longest while. That species of animal going with a lot of things. And you know, hear me here but me no care. Hear them sit down and chat, but hear me here but me no care. Because you know, certain species of animal, unknown species of animals, you don't try to make them be known to the world. Because when you make these unknown species of animal be known to the world, you know, sometimes it comes around to haunt you. Because they're into a little cube that they're growing in size. And when they're growing in size, they feel like they're big enough now. You understand? So they might go want to come out because they can't turn the little cube with them in. So when you make these unknown species be known to the world, and you let them out of that they cube there, they might go come out, come go on, them a raging bull. So what the best thing for you to do? No knowings. Yeah man, call them yeah. You think a little bit of sick them hear them yeah, did somebody name where she called a while ago. Maybe even know the person now, if I he, she or the old lady, I don't know. You understand? And when I say me don't know, I mean, I see who they identify themselves as. But looking at them, you can't know who them is, if they are he, if they are she, if they are we. You don't know. And these are the people who come out here every day upon the woman name. When them have some form of problem to deal with. Whether trauma problem, psychological problem, family problem, hormone problem. You understand? Sexual problem. Them have all kind of problem. But them not find no time to deal with them problem. Them find time to come out here, to come instigate against the woman. Yes. Tired to hear them, yeah, Jack. Yeah. Tired to hear them, but me not listen to them. You see a man at 13 I call her name.
You should have gone up and me. We drop down on me. Me no want responsible for that. No, sir. To be responsible for nobody dropping down out here. Me no want responsible for that, because when judgment morning me can't go turn up in front of God and go tell God say, oh, because no, worse when no, me not doing it. Maxine is coming back. Me no hear Dana out here a kill up herself. Dana not somebody we got thing there. When you come up and you come talk about it, suppose Dana drop down fat. Look here, man, I block you from my page. Really? You met you come off. Because this is phone a problem. Everyone I wanna go, who no one ready for defend Dana. Only Dana one who come off here. You come right off here. Don't come back over here. This is a problem we have past social media. It is all about Dana. It is all about Dana. It is all about Dana. What suppose Dana drop down? Where Dana go drop down for? What Dana I go drop down for? Dana more strong-minded than Whitney, because first nobody can tell Dana anything. First thing, nobody cannot tell Dana nothing. You can't go to Dana with nothing. Dana will run you. Everything is about Dana. The world surrounded by a woman. Don't make her lose the page again, you hear? But suppose Dana drop down.
She lose the page?
Them who know them cause the problem past social media. Me not tell enough sorry for Maxine. When me I say, me not come out here come cuss her. Well,
me understand what you are saying at 13. You know, tell nobody if you're sorry for her. But you now come out here come cuss her. But guess what me know? If she deserve cussing, she forget cussing. You know the reason why I can't understand? Most of these people, they're having some health issues, which none of we now have no control over health issues. Because me say we can't heart it today and tomorrow we're sick. We can't go to a doctor every 2 months, go take a regular checkup, or every 3 months, with general checkup and all kind of thing. But at the end of the day, one of the months when we left the doctor, something just come at we. And before the next 3 months, if we go back at the doctor, it widely spread. Because that's how it works. But when me I said, these people out there know they have their ailments. You know? But they find so much time, so many times. Because most of these people know, you know, so them have them ailments, you know. And I like them not know. And something will come on some of them and them just find out. They know. And them spend all the time on social media to tearing down people in a negative way of, you know, just want to see people go down. So, what kind of spirit you have for somebody who some of them have some dangerous ailment. Some ailment that, you know, need a lot of time and care. Treatment. For either cure, keep on a level, or get better. And them not find that time they like what them find for come on social media. Tearing down people. You understand what I say to you? No? So sometimes I wonder what these people think about them own self when they're in certain conditions. If they care about their self or they just care about doing the bad things at all times towards other people. So in this now, I like a she, if she get cussing, she just get cussing, man. She come out here with food, she just come out here. Because even what she do just recently at the woman funeral, she said she is close to the woman like that as what she said. And you leave your yard with a mindset premeditated to do what you do, you know. It is obvious, you know. So you left your yard premeditated to do what you do. Some people say, because you go and you spat down up on the shoulder and then I look around and see you, you don't expect Dan to forget about it. Why was it? But true, you did not get that. You just get a little handshake. Dana said she squeeze your hand. So it come like this squeeze your hand to say, alright, I recognize you. I recognize you. Wasn't enough. Because Dana go as far as when she goes and hold your hand and shake your hand, you know. She squeeze your hand, you know. And this is a signal. When you shake somebody hand and them just normally shake your hand, it's a different thing. But when them squeeze your hand, it's a signal. But it's like you didn't want a hug. Because even when you go out there as a man and you meet a woman, or you deal with a woman or you correspond to a woman for a while, but you finally meet her close up now, she know you have a thing I go for her and whatsoever. And you greet now and you shake hand, It's not a normal shake you give her most time. Most time someone will go and squeeze the hand, so we send the signal to her. You understand? So the signal there, what it mean, me might not know if it mean I recognize you are, we are friends are, all the forgiveness by a handshake, but nothing more. We don't know. But the woman says she squeeze your hand, but it come like you did want a hug. So true, you don't get the hug in the public car. Probably you set up all your camera, you know, with somebody, you know, because when I tell me, you say, yeah, somebody have video when you walk down, you have to walk down. So probably you give somebody your camera, your phone for go on video, to say, boy, alright, me I go hug, me I get a hug, you know, so when me get the hug, catch it. Yeah, because I want to carry it on social media, come show, so I can't stop this. As one person say, probably you just sit upon your clothes. Hey, no plank or no dear. Hey, nobody. No. So, one of the plankers said, come like she have something on her clothes. So she expected, hey, they come and hug her. And when AD hug her now, it's going to affect AD. Hey, nobody know. But two, she don't get the hug now. Our mission failed, so that's why she come out with all kind of sitting about the funeral. But when I say, these people will start take some more time. Worse, these people are elderly people. Because we're up in a age, you know. So if we don't want to hear elderly, someone don't want to hear say, no hole. Someone don't want to hear elderly. You can't tappy. You can't reverse on the age. So it's either not going to hold the hole or not going to hold the elderly. So anyone sound more appropriate to you know, when people use it, you just hold it. Whether whole or elder. But you hop in a age, so is one of two. You understand? You have start take some more care on yourself, man. Spend more time. Just come on social media for recreation. Free your mind. Not to corrupt your mind and corrupt other people's mind. When you come on social media, you in a certain condition, man, you just use social media for recreation. You can get like a comfort. Put your mind at ease from thinking about certain things where you go through ailments, problem, and all kind of things. Instead of come on social media, you have ailments, you have problem, and you come on social media using it in the wrong way, where you come out here, come cause more problem for other people, call down judgment for other people, that can't set your mind free. You not corrupt your own self more. You understand? Because it's like you have a sore foot and before you adjust the sore foot. You have a cut and before you adjust the cut. You know what you do? You catch one fly and put it in it, so you play with it. Boom, the fly. Right. You understand? 2 days you get up, you start to sit in the night and sore broke out upon you. Why you should I use one little piece of cotton swab and adjust the cut or adjust the sore or whatsoever? So I saw you coming like you come in a social media. You understand? So 13, if Maxine have no problem right now where ailments is concerned, nobody must be sorry for her, man. Because them not sorry for themselves. Them not take no time to look after themselves. So if the pressure of a turn on upon them, make it turn on upon them, because them want it turn on upon them. Because it come like I saw them stay relevant. I saw them expect the people are going to see them. It come like I feed them recreation. That, but oh, that can be your recreation. That can't give your mind at ease. That can't put your mind at ease no time at all. Because, as me say, it's like you mix your cut with germs. You know you have the cut you gone in the dirty water. Oh, if you do that, you have a cut you gone in the dirty water. You're supposed to stay away from that.
Shit. Look here, and everybody can ignore. Everybody have them character, and some people dealing with them content. I think some people just like the long argument. Some people just like the long argument, and we cannot get that from them. What me now go do, I entertain them in night. Especially Maxine with the sugar. No. Entertain, we entertain her. While if we avoid her.
So wait, the boil, you know the sugar boil?
9 minutes or 9 days.
Money more sugar factory.
I want you to say nobody, because then she won't have nothing to address. Then she now go have nothing to address. Think about that.
No, sir.
Social media.
No, sir, I don't think you're right. That's a 13. Especially that one, yeah. Sometimes some things that I see she do, and hear she do. And when you now look upon her, she do some things where you have one or few people will see it and carry it out, and once them see it and carry it out and start talk about it, it just blew out. Enough time I see people not pay she no mind for true. No mind she not. Alright. And when she go about pum corner and this corner, I see she say she not get no great attention, you know. What she would really want, you know, with her foolishness, you know. So she go what? Bikini or two-piece bathsuit corner, pum corner, this corner, all kind of corner. Because she said she never did get no relevancy. Nobody never that to look upon her with her foolishness. Until she start get little attention, everybody thought, Lord God, you don't want to go by Maxine. Lord, me not like that big man, she look terrible. Lord, that big man, she can't do better. Yes, and the word starts spread, everybody want to run go peep. Everybody want to run go look. You understand what I say? Boom, she start get little viewing again and wait. So she got right back to where she were and what she used to. So she have fear where she do all kind of little foolishness. And the people end up gravitate to it in the long run. So there is nothing you can do if she not look upon you 13 or look upon nobody or talk about nothing.
Nobody had trouble and think about that. Who not think about that say? If we not pay Maxine no mind making one can out there.
It happened already.
She don't have nothing
And she
to talk
find her
about.
way. Pum corner, this a corner.
Look what up. I wish she do it up. If I sat them here, what this thing I know. Yes, she take up observe and like, yeah. She a go take you up. Understand what me I say. Understand what me I say. No make social media make it get personal. If you come out every time one blogger come out and talk and say something about her, she dey take it right up and she dey take it up on her platform and she dey play. And in the blind time the sugar they go up. Me no want responsible for that.
Alright. Alright. You see, come back to what me I say. Somebody says something about her, whether in a negative way, positive way, or in a way where the person just try to get a point across, but she misinterpret and put it her way. She take it up put on her platform. And she come and she rant for days. Not to mention if the person go clap back at her. It just continue. And she know her high level of her whatsoever she have. And she not take no time. So all people are going sorry for her. Nobody can sorry for her, man. So you come out here and get lash and you lash out, man, and people feel like clap back, man. When they sitting there where them used to, when I see them using them Jesus time, where them use, when they call it one name, when they go so, ooh, wash. When them a lash you, ooh, wash. I like them go so and flick it, and when them flick it and the tail touch, aye, and it just come right back like it's flexible. Ooh, wash. Yeah, man, I saw if you just clap back at her, man. No, me still, you know, because me barely give them the highlight. Barely. Let me say, I barely give them any highlight. She one of them me here talk a lot also. I mean, never look on her, trust me. Very rare me say something.
Don't pay him no mind. You think I look at her Maxine cause nobody you think me no hear? I don't look at her.
True that, that's true.
Because she's not treating the sugar.
So people, me don't know where I'm going. What? It get hard upon her? Me don't know. Me just ask.
She's not. Maxine have to get up and train up there.
Menopause?
No man, you have the real plank and you have the planker shit them. Really? Like that one here where I go come now.
Me I wish one 13? 13? 13! Me say, I mean, I wish one of them. 13. Which one you categorize me? Me don't know. Tell me, please.
When me talk about Maxine, and you go talk about support than a drop down. So you want to say no, say. That me take it personal. Than a life value for more than Maxine or than a health. No. We are all equal out here. Because Dana is not right all the time. Just like how Maxine is not all right all the time. So why, if Dana does something is mistake, but when Maxine or any other body, this is the problem with the planker shit them off. When Dana wrong, it's a mistake. But when Maxine, anybody else wrong, it's
How where that come from?
It must be a planka shit. Fuck with me spirit while ago.
Out of a tree drop from? Me don't know where that come from, you know, people. Me don't know out of a tree. Bird in a tree. A shit out bad road.
The planka, you have the real planka. Where we'll
Me don't know where that one they come from, people.
Planka shake them. We go round and make trouble. Can you hear me talk about this woman else you go come talk about suppose than a drop down? Of course you have the planka shit like the Sharon is one. Who know I look people for God? This world not surrounded by Dana. Dana felt so nobody know for cuss there. Who know I look people for go round. Everything I must come out, everything for I must cuss Dana.
Father God, just lock off him light, people. We saw the camera get dark. Sun up a while ago. And the place just get dark.
The fact remain, Maxine need to take care of her health.
She don't want somebody to take care of her.
Let me come out. Me never did there. You know where you call Maxine liar. You did there?
I wonder if that's why she didn't want to say AD was there. Because she looking at money for do certain things. Me don't know. What day when she said she want to speak to AD, I wonder if that she want to speak. Because they know AD had soft and then love play upon AD had, you know. Yes, man. So I wonder if she want her money, we say she need to go do some tests and some this and some that. So she want to talk to AD in private. She never wanted to come a public you see her children. She wanted to do it private. Me don't know, me just ask still. Because sometimes, you know, you go up the road and you find one piece of puzzle, you know. And you reach up at the top of the road and see one other piece. And you say, what is this? But you didn't realize that a piece is a puzzle. So if you find all the pieces, you will know the meaning of the puzzles where you find pieces of pieces of pieces. So, yes, man. But I'm going to really do it well with some of the rain here, but we don't want to fall now. Anytime later. Right back till tomorrow.
Talking about Maxine health. Maxine is not spent in time. Maxine need to spend more time and take care of her health. See, they can't be about Dana all the time. It cannot be.
That's what they make it be. Because Dana energize them, so them happy say Dana. No matter what, them have to call the woman name. For what reason, we don't know.
Some things them do you them have it all when time. Just like how you live in a country where they say you're not for spam. But something when you do, you put on your clap. Social media not be by one person. Me concerned about Maxine health. Dana never come out here and say have nothing. Dana come out here and say healthy. And Dana know how to deal with things. Because some things I say Dana take out your respect to her. Respect. Some things when I say Dana take out your respect to her because I couldn't take it. People that lose their life already. People, family that lose their life. So Dana strong. Maxine is not strong.
So, you're not strong, but you come out here. I try to tear down people who are strong. Eh? She's not strong as well you are said 30. Because probably that is what how you analyze her. Because of her behavior in her phone. And then when a little pressure reach her, that's it. So you might analyze her that she's not strong. But when me I said, this is what I am saying. You can't know say you have faults in a certain areas, but at the same time you use that same area to try to tear down people and do things that you're not supposed to do. So what is going to happen when the city want to call Karma come back at you? What is going to happen if the clap back will come at who you're going against? Basically you go against somebody who's strong and you are weak. So what if that strong somebody clap back at you in that same area as you are saying she's not strong? So she go feel the clap. So what she supposed to do? Hold her corner, man. Nobody not supposed to have no sympathy upon them. Because them not have no sympathy upon themselves. They know their position. They know their condition. It's not like they don't know their position and condition. You know, they know it. So why come out here and play around and mell around people? And then when the pressure reaches, you know, people want the same people to have sympathy on you. The same persons to ease up off of you and just allow you and just know say you that that's how you stay. No, I'm not going to do it, you know. Because that is an opportunity for me now. Because what you were trying to do is to tear me off of the tree. Look how thick this limb is. Look how thick this limb is, people. And see me here, you know. See me here as one little leaf, each up on piece, I would each up on the thick piece of limb. And you left all the way you left from and come, so bam! See it, I tear me down. What me I gonna do now? Watch out now. Drop me drop. Remember, me not on a foot. Me not on a life. All of my life to the right as a while ago, you know. All of my life the right as a while ago. By me and this tree here with this. All of my life there, so. And you left all the way. Come try to tear me down off of this tree. As you see me just do, me don't want to waste no more of the leaf. You understand what I said to you? And then now, you are going to tell me say people play ease upon people like them there? No, sir. That's why I'm telling you, you know, I fight fire with fire, fire with gas. I don't fight fire with water. I fight fire with gasoline because guess what? I just believe, say, if I fight with water, when it's out, it's liable to catch back. Because you look, you know what time is the place burn down and the fire brigade come and them out and them this, and when them gone, you still see smoke, you still feel heat. What you think can happen? I see the last time I think I faced a commodity building down a Marcus Garvey Drive. I think it was a warehouse, one of the warehouses that go up in flames. When you stay up on Olympic Way, you can't see the fire and everything, and you hear and I must say about 3-4 days them take to finish out that fire. Because you don't know, after you out the big blaze, you have to go around now and look for the cooling down and the little sparks and way. And all when them say it done and gone. I catch back again. Remember I tell you about 4 days them take to do what them do. Cooling down operation after out and get rid of every little sparks and something. And when I say, when them done and gone after 4 days, I spark something sparks again. So when I say, one of we have to just know so we get ashes. Because if me use water, anything liable to catch back. And when it catch back, you can't be the conqueror one over me. So me make sure me I fight the fire with when me know say me have come out to come be the winner. Because remember you know me I dash it, you know. Yes man, I me I dash it man. So me know how to dash it and where to dash it. Them say the Bible say when you get one yasso, you turn the next one. Not in modern days. Not in modern days, because sometimes you get it yasso, you can't turn the next one, you're gone. Them not give you a chance to turn the next side. So you know them modern days you not talk about. You get it yasso, you turn the other one. You never give a man a chance to give it on that one, yeah. Because sometimes you get on that one, yeah, I hit that.
Come on, man, that's a 62-year-old sugar patient we are talking about.
So she old 62? Probably the Rasta Jadis and a base in her phone. Great grandmother and grandmother age that, you know. Great grandmother and grandmother age that. Not just grandmother.
We don't want to see no more get well soon out here. We don't want that.
But you have said that 13. What about the person where you are defending them and said that to them own self?
We do not want that.
What time them put in caring for themselves to prevent that from happening? What time them put in them own self to prevent that from happening? Them a care for themselves? So why you want to care? Me not care.
I know for sure I see Maxine. I know when you have sugar, you're supposed to test your sugar and eat. That even the Monday when me and Maxine...
God help those that help themselves. Some of them sit down upon Father God, Father God, Father God, and you nah make no move. You nah make no move. I must see you alone, Father God, have to deal with. Make some move, man. Make Father God to say you help yourself, then him help you.
Encourage her because Maxine, listen to the net. Let me tell you something about Maxine. Let me notice.
She don't want you no positivity, a negative she want to hear. So no help now can help she.
If you tell her, say, let me tell her something. In a Maxine heart, she just feel like the plank, right? Maxine feel like the plank of them are people. Maybe even me, Maxine feel like I don't like her. If you come, she will have this that 13 don't like her.
She easily soak up negativity. That's it. Positivity, she don't soak that so easy. She like to soak up negativity. Because she probably strive on that more.
Definitely can't go where Uno go. I really can't go where Uno go. I don't want another condolence or another get well soon out here. I'm very sorry. I can't. She need Maxine take your medication. Take it easy because you see it's too much time and you hear it in her voice that she don't feel good.
I'm gonna see her still doing the most. Go see her still doing the most.
You have to really stress. And the stress with me, I'm gonna tell you what is I'm gonna tell you what is bothering Maxine too. You know where about Maxine? Maxine, I get up and I got the courthouse. The last time I listened to Maxine, she said 9 times. She want to catch Ashanti for drag him a court. And she can't catch him kind of on the address. And it's irritating. So everything just step on her. She not take, I don't think Maxine will take the medication accordingly. That's the main thing. She want to catch Ashanti to drag him backside to courthouse. Cause on one Monday, the whole day, when me think say wait, cause a morning time I go look, you know, me go check. Me say rotted. She say the whole day she dey at the courthouse. Sugar somehow make you tiring. Plus remember Maxine is 62. She might look young. But the
Somebody said in the comment here, say she might, or you are say 13. She might. No. No young no look this up. Come on 13. No young no look this up. What I do help her bore up the young style where she have up. Where she bore up this and bore up this and bore up this and bore up this. Are the young style you talk about? The woman for act her age, man. The woman for behave and act her age. She's not grandmother age, you know. She's great grandmother age. She for act her age. Act responsible. Act respectful. We don't say you can't come out and come do your things, man. But come on, man. Do it better than that, man.
Because she not catch him, it take a toll on her. No, Maxine past 60. She not full sick. She past 60. I think February gone, Maxine at 61. She cannot say, you know why me know so she cannot say? The day when me and the boy went and me did up on the phone with him. In front time go stand up and say, baby see man a pine pan him. She cannot say for true.
When your sugar high for true still, it mash up your eyesight. When it high, mash up your eyesight, that me hear, me don't know what truth is.
But I know people with sugar, and even though them will get the good glasses, once the sugar high, the glasses get blurry to them.
Yeah, man, that me hear for true. And it's a reality for true. That's true.
One of my co-worker, she have a very good glasses. And when she put it on the glasses, she say the eye feel heavier, so she tests her sugar and it always high.
Yeah, man, eye level of sugar affect the eye.
But she's not young. She's not young, and that's what I say, Ashanti, Maxine, easy to be influenced. Because if me never have a strong mind, that's how Ashanti that influence me.
She easy to be influenced because she love negativity. That's why she easy to influence. You influence her with some positivity and say she work with it. No.
Ashanti that try to brainwash me for go dark side with Scooter. I'ma tell him no, me not in it. I went brainwash her and tell her, say, yeah, but when you have the glasses and the sugar high, the glasses too weak, make you know, because my co-worker, she have sugar very bad, 2 times she have to prick. And let me tell you something. I think a Friday night with the day I work, Friday, and it was the same thing. Friday with day I work, and she put on her glasses. When she put on her glasses, she said, when she look me, she said her sugar there 320. That's what I was saying too when I heard that Maxine drive and spend most of 17 hours. I was like, Maxine is doing too much of what she's not supposed to do. Maxine, let me tell you something. I guess this, and no disrespect, I feel when Maxine was young, Maxine was this, you know, this active girl. God, can we have seen it? This is she has 60, she fling on. And I think even in her age, she feel like and she want to do it, she want to drive. And based on what I say, that when she drive, Maxine look like she drive rough. And in this eat time now, the sugar go.
Anyway, people, I don't know what to think, you know, but 13 speak her mind and what she think. I want to hear me say what me have to say. And me a boy no delete, delete. You understand? Or cut and paste, or cut out everything we may do, raw and cut. If me do something and it's wrong, and me look upon it and people are talking and I feel like it's wrong, me not too big to come out and apologize. I will. Right? I saw it set. But me not come out and come delete no live because where the public are going to say, me don't want the public say. Me do it. Because one thing me know over here so in a social media, you can do a live or a video. Alright, I'm mostly live anyway. And unlike me and video. But you can't do a live and figure more or less say, when you're done the live, you can delete it and worse if the people them know that's how you stay. Once them come on the live, screen record start instant. Who don't know if it's screen record, go and record. Because if people don't know if it's screen record, all them have to do if them have 2 phones, them just start record the live. We don't need to see no picture, we just want to hear what you say. So who can screen record will record if them have 2 phones. So it don't make no sense to no come out and come delete and way. See now see do when him do video yesterday, come out and cuss after him get him ball say him want to renew himself. You understand? And him want forgiveness and thing and way. And such woman come out and chat and him take it up. Come on, make it pass you. You say you want change, you want a change. Make that pass you. Do like you not here. Or you here and you not care. But right away you jump. And if people know that's how you is, that's what them are going to do to you. Just like the live when I say, for you start do a live and people know say somebody will love delete, them are going to start screen record. Because remember now, you know, them don't know what you're going to say down in the live, you know, where them are going to want, you know. And then by them time when them want it, they delete it. So they make sure start screen record it. If you not say nothing, them throw it in the trash. But if you say something where them want, them are going to have it. So it don't make sense to not delete. Speak my mind, people. Bless upon yourself, you know. Thanks for watching. We don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and rate the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. In the comment section, you have Tomika Douglas TV, your subscription, and Life with Gabby and Chevy. Please to give them a subscription. And the cash app pinned down the $ Life is a Mission TV. When you give me, I take the gift and give back to the needy. You understand? In whatever way I can, whatever I have. As I say, I have the back to school, look, I give back randomly, just giving some kids some books and stuff and pencil, because I can't keep no big settings. And then when 500 people run in, I have nothing to give them. So I have to just take it from my car randomly and say, here, say 3 or 4 or 5 book here and 3 or 2 pencil here. You understand? Because if you set up big settings, you know, everybody are going to run come. You don't have that amount of things to give away. So why do it? So you just randomly have them in my car. I see a child apart, so I know it's a school as. I say, come here. And I give them 2 or 3 books. That's it. Bless upon yourself. I'm out.